Good morning guys and welcome back to Cook with Lainey. Today we are going to be making some delicious pumpkin spice muffins. They are so easy to make and they are perfect for this autumnal weather. A delicious healthy snack that can be enjoyed by everyone, and they are packed full of protein. What you're going to need: pureed pumpkin. It is a staple in a lot of my recipes and now it is coming into full effect for the pumpkin spice muffins. I've got some liquid egg whites, some fat-free Greek yogurt. Now onto the dry ingredients. I'm using a salted caramel flavoured protein powder, but you can use any caramel or vanilla flavoured protein that will enhance the recipe and the flavour. Some reduced fat almond flour. I get this from Sukrin, but you can pick it up in a lot of the health food stores. Some granulated sweetener. This is just going to add to the sweetness of the muffin. If you like a more of a spicy flavour, just add less of the sweetener. I've got a pumpkin pie spice mix. I picked this up from Amazon, but you can probably pick it up from a lot of supermarkets. Our raising agents, bicarbonate of soda and baking powder. And I am going to top my muffins with some finely diced pecans. You can use any nuts, or if you have a nut allergy you can simply just leave them out. This just adds a little bit more texture to the top of the muffin. I have my oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius. I'm simply going to add all the ingredients to this mixing bowl, mix it all up into a muffin tray, into the oven, and that's it. It's that easy. Let's get started. First we are going to add all of our dry ingredients. Almond flour, salted caramel protein powder, a teaspoon of your baking powder, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and your pumpkin spiced mix. I'm going to be using 7 grams of the pumpkin spice mix. Now it's time to add in your pumpkin. I'm using a half a tin of the pureed pumpkin, your egg whites, and finally your fat-free Greek yogurt. Mix all of your wet and your dry ingredients together. Once you have all of your ingredients combined, simply add to a pre-greased muffin tray. Smooth out the mixture and then top with your pecans. Now you just add your muffins to your preheated oven to bake for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just going to allow them to cool on a wire cooling rack before devouring them. I hope you enjoyed my pumpkin spiced muffin. They are packed full of protein, 13 grams per muffin. You can't beat that. If you enjoyed my recipe, please give it the thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. See you next time in the next healthy recipe with Cook with Lainey.